Hey everybody, my name's Damien Derrick. This is Precision Airbrush YouTube channel, and today we are talking about the problem of your airbrush skipping, or the paint coming out inconsistently. It is addressed in my Beginner's Guide to Airbrush Care, which is a free download in the video description. When it skips, you get two different types of skipping. There's inconsistent spray, so you'll be spraying and it'll burst a little bit and slowly fade and go again. That's one type of inconsistent skipping. Or there is the consistent skipping of the pulsing. This airbrush isn't doing it. This airbrush is working great. Don't know why I'm holding it. So when it's consistent skipping, that's the first thing you got to work out. Which one is it? If it's consistent skipping, that is an air issue. So most likely the seal was gone in the front of the air cap. So if it's not tied tight enough, you'll probably get bubbles in cup. But if it's 90% tight enough, you may get that skipping because air's coming into the system where it shouldn't be. So that makes sense. So that's why you're getting the consistent. So it is something in the front of the airbrush. One of those parts is either not tight or a seal's gone. You can put beeswax to reseal threads. There could be damage to your fluid nozzle itself, cause it, but that's where you start. Inconsistent skipping or spray, that's the first answer everyone gives with everything is that's a dirty airbrush. You have got clumps inside the fluid nozzle, the tip. It needs to be properly cleaned. So I've got a whole cleaning procedure there, but that's where you start. That's how you diagnose, and that's how you know where to go to fix that problem. So I hope that helps you. Subscribe to the channel. Got lots of short tips like that. I've got some longer videos. I've got this video's there where I painted this and then I put a big black light, drop a paint down the middle and then repaired it. Plenty of tips. They'll keep coming. So thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.